In just 5 years, Apple's ecosystem has created 2.5 lakh direct jobs and an estimated 7.5 lakh indirect jobs across India, marking one of the largest blue-collar employment surges in recent industrial history. Tata and Foxconn together now employ roughly 140,000 people on their assembly lines. Wow, that is less a single factory and more a township built around production. For a manufacturing ambition often described in trillion-dollar terms, the scale is definitely beginning to look tangible. But here is the plot twist. The face of Indian manufacturing isn't who you think it is. 70% of this workforce, women, aged 19 to 24. First-time workers. And they aren't just soldering circuits, they're actually rewriting the social contract. We've been saying this again and again on front page for months. Apple's supply chain is the new finishing school for India's daughters. Independence isn't just a slogan, it's now a bank credit notification. India now hosts 5 iPhone factories. Tata has 3, Foxconn has 2, and they aren't alone. 45 companies, yes, the MSMEs, the real grinders who are feeding this mammoth machinery. You know what? It's definitely a battlefield out there. High-stakes training, rising salaries. And if you're 22 and looking for the pulse of the economy, don't worry, you just found it, because it's pulsing in these very assembly lines. Now, of course, for the numbers, 2025 saw $23 billion in iPhone exports. That's a 2-time jump from 2024. Smartphones are now India's top export category. Apple owns 76% of that entire pie. The narrative used to be assembled in China now. Now, of course, the box says, and it says so proudly, made in India. And you know what? The world is buying it. But there is a catch. As we always know, there is always a catch. The PLI scheme lowered the cost. Diversification gave India the trusted partner badge. But the landscape is shifting again. US tariffs on Chinese electronics are gone. The competition is now waking up. The China plus one strategy is getting crowded. And if India doesn't deepen its supply chain, this momentum could very well stall. It's definitely a race, and the track is getting very, very slippery. For decades, we exported the brains. We sent software talent to Silicon Valley. Now, of course, we are exporting the physical devices that run that very software. It's the ultimate pivot from the IT hub to the hardware foundation. And here, of course, is the front page take. This is the coming of the age moment. Jobs at a scale we haven't seen. Women walking into the factory. A trade balance that finally looks healthy. Software made India the brain of the digital world. Hardware is making it the spine. The question is, can we hold the weight? Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. Is India the new global factory, or is this just a very lucky streak? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.